Cadoro is a decorative finish for interiors with a silky appearance and soft to the touch, which creates particular iridescent effects that vary according to the angle of light reflected. Before the Cadoro finish, 2 layers of Decor Fond must be applied with a roller and well diluted. The product is ready for use and can be applied with a stainless steel or plastic trowel. We recommend that you apply the product with a brush on difficult areas and, after, decorate using the stainless steel or plastic trowel. The first layer of the product is applied, and when it has dried, about 6 hours after, apply a second layer in the same way as the first. In order to obtain more decorative reflections, smooth the flat part of the trowel over the surface, but in the opposite direction, when the second hand starts to dry. Other finishes can be achieved according to the painter's imagination.